Hello children, we will start with practice set 6.1. Question 1. Distance of chord AB from the center of a circle is 8 cm. Length of the chord AB is 12 cm. Find the diameter of a circle. In a circle with center O, OA is the radius and AB is its chord. So segment OP is perpendicular to AB such that A dash P dash B. AB equals to 12, OP equals to 8 cm. You know perpendicular drawn from the center bisects the given chord. Therefore, AP will be 6. AP is 6, OP is 8. So, OA you can calculate. That will be 10. Therefore, if you know the radius, you know diameter. We'll see the calculations here. AP equals to half of AB, perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisect the given chord. Please don't forget to write the reason. Don't forget to draw the diagram also. AP equals to half into 12 equals to 6 cm. In triangle OPA, angle OPA equals to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, apply Pythagoras theorem in triangle APO and simplify, you will get OA equals to 10 cm. Radius equals to 10 cm. Therefore, diameter equals to twice radius equals to 20 cm. Therefore, the diameter of the circle is 20 cm. Question 2. Diameter of a circle is 26 cm and length of chord is 24 cm. Find the distance of the chord from the center. In this also we'll apply the Pythagoras theorem and the property. In circle with center O, PO is the radius and PQ is the chord. Segment OR perpendicular segment PQ, P dash R dash Q. PQ equals to 24 cm. Diameter is given as 26 cm. To find distance of the chord from the center QR. So radius equals to OP equals diameter upon 2 equals to 26 upon 2 equals to 13 cm. PR equals to half of PQ. Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord. So half of 24 is 12 cm. In triangle ORP, angle ORP equals to 90 degree. But therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, substitute the values, you will get OR equals to root of 25 equals to 5 cm. Therefore, the distance of the chord from the center of the circle is 5 cm. Very easy problems are there. Question 3. Radius of a circle is 34 cm and the distance of the chord from the center is 30 cm. Find the length of the chord. Given in a circle with center A, PA is the radius and PQ is chord. Segment AM perpendicular chord PQ such that P dash M dash Q. AP equals to 34 cm, AM equals to 30 cm. To find length of the chord PQ, again the method remains the same. We have to find out PM and then PQ equals to twice PM. So in triangle AMP, angle M equals to 90 degree. Apply Pythagoras theorem and after applying the Pythagoras theorem, simplify, you will calculate PM equals to root of 4 into 64. You can simplify like that also. 4 into 64 and then find out square root, it will be 16. Here one method is given, you can solve by any method. Now, PM equals to half of PQ, perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the given chord. So, 16 equals to 1 by 2 PQ, therefore PQ equals to 32 centimeter. The length of the chord of the circle is 32 centimeter. Next question. 4. Radius of a circle with center O is 41 units. Length of a chord is 80 units. Now here it is not given centimeters or anything. Find the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. Given in a circle with center O, OP is radius and PQ is its chord. Segment OM perpendicular chord PQ, P dash M dash Q. OP equals to 41 units, PQ equals to 80 units. To find distance of the chord from the center of the circle OM, solution PM equals to half of PQ perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the given chord. So here 41 units is there and half of 80 equals to 40 units. In triangle OMP, angle OMP equals to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, simplify, you will get OM square equals to 81, OM equals to 9. The distance of the chord from the center of the circle is 9 units. Very simple calculations. Only two terms are given, third term we have to find out. Question 5. In the adjoining figure, center of two circles is O. Chord AB of a bigger circle intersect the smaller circle at points P and Q. Show that AP equals to BQ. Here you see two circles are there. This type of circles are known as concentric circles with the same center. So, and AB is the chord for the larger and PQ is the chord for the smaller circle. But AB, PMQ, these points are collinear. So here OM is perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord AB or PQ we can say, and here we will see how it works. Two concentric circles having center O prove AP equals to BQ. Construction, draw OM perpendicular to chord AB such that A dash M dash B. For smaller circle OM perpendicular to PQ, construction A dash P dash M dash Q dash B. So PM equals to MQ. Reason same, perpendicular, that is theorem only. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the given chord. For bigger circle, OM perpendicular to chord AB. By construction, AM equals to MB. By the same theorem, perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the given chord. Therefore, AP plus PM equals to MQ plus QB, as the points are collinear here. So AP plus MQ equals to MQ plus QB. Why? Because PM and MQ are same from 1. So this 2 gets cancelled. What is left? AP equals to BQ. Very clear? Next question. 6. Prove that if a diameter of a circle bisects two chords of the circle, then those two chords are parallel to each other. Figure you understand? This is the circle. PQ is the diameter, O is the center. So if it is perpendicular, perpendicular means making an angle of 90 degree, then it bisects the two circles. We'll see what is given. Given O is the center of the circle, PQ is the diameter, diameter PQ bisects the chord AB and CD in the points M and N. To prove that chord AB is parallel to chord CD. Diameter PQ bisects the chord AB in point M. Therefore, segment AM equals to BM. Therefore, OM is perpendicular to AB, segment joining the center of the circle and the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Theorem what we have seen earlier. Therefore, angle OMA equals to 90 degree. Also, diameter PQ bisects the chord CD in point N given. Therefore, CN congruent to DN. ON is perpendicular to chord CD. Segment joining region is same by same theorem. Segment joining the center of a circle and the midpoint of the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Therefore, ONC equals to 90 degree. Now here you see angle M you have proved 90 degree, angle N you have proved 90 degree, but these two angles, they form pair of interior angles. Angle OMA plus angle ONC equals to 90 degree plus 90 degree from equation 1 and 2 above to 180 degree, but angle OMA and angle ONC form a pair of interior angles on lines AB and CD when segment MN is their transversal. Therefore, chord AB is parallel to chord CD interior angle test. This much is sufficient for this video. In the next video, we are going to study next exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.